Imagine a world where tiny organisms produce everyday products. These products range from the food we eat to the medicines that keep us healthy. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of microbial biofactories. These biofactories are transforming the way we think about production and sustainability. These factories are not made of brick and mortar. Instead, they are living systems powered by microscopic organisms. These organisms are carefully engineered to perform specific tasks. Bacteria, fungi, and yeast become tiny factories. They are programmed to produce a wide array of substances, from biofuels to biodegradable plastics. They use their natural processes to make valuable products. By harnessing their metabolic pathways, scientists can direct these microbes to produce exactly what we need. Microbial biofactories offer a sustainable alternative to traditional manufacturing. They use less energy, they produce less waste. This makes them an eco-friendly option for the future. These tiny factories are revolutionizing industries. They are making it possible to produce goods in a more environmentally friendly way. From food production to medicine, the potential of microbial biofactories is immense. They can produce vitamins, antibiotics, and even complex proteins used in medical treatments. We are just beginning to explore the possibilities of these microscopic powerhouses. The research is ongoing and new applications are being discovered every day. These microbial factories represent a new era of biotechnology. They are at the forefront of scientific innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. They hold the key to a greener and more sustainable future. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing waste, they help protect our planet. By harnessing the power of these tiny organisms, we can create a better world for generations to come. The future of manufacturing is here, and it is microscopic.
Microbial enzymes are invisible workers. They are essential to many industrial processes. These enzymes are proteins made by microbes. They act as catalysts. This means they speed up chemical reactions. One example is in laundry detergent. Enzymes help break down stains. This makes the detergent more effective. In the textile industry, enzymes are used to treat fabrics. They can make clothes softer or brighter. Microbial enzymes are also important in food production. They can improve the texture and flavor of food. They are even used to produce biofuels. This helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Microbial enzymes are versatile and powerful tools. They are changing the face of many industries.
Plastic pollution is a global problem. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans and landfills, causing severe environmental damage. Marine life is particularly affected, with countless animals ingesting or getting entangled in plastic debris. The problem is so pervasive that microplastics have even been found in the food we eat and the water we drink. But what if we could make plastic from renewable resources? Imagine a world where the plastic we use daily comes from plants like corn or sugarcane instead of petroleum. This shift could significantly reduce our carbon footprint and reliance on fossil fuels, paving the way for a more sustainable future. That's the promise of bioplastics. These innovative materials are designed to mimic the properties of traditional plastics while being environmentally friendly. Bioplastics can be used to create a wide range of products, from everyday items like bags and bottles to more specialized applications. Microbial biofactories can produce bioplastics. By harnessing the power of microorganisms, scientists can create bioplastics through fermentation processes. These biofactories are efficient and can be scaled up to meet industrial demands. These plastics are made from biological materials like plant starches. Plant-based raw materials are abundant and renewable, making them an ideal source for bioplastic production. The process involves converting these starches into polymers that can be molded into various shapes and forms. One example is polyhydroxyalkanoates, or PHAs. PHAs are biodegradable plastics. They're produced by bacteria that synthesize these polymers as a form of energy storage. When disposed of, PHAs break down naturally in the environment, leaving no toxic residues behind. They're produced by bacteria. These microorganisms are cultivated in controlled environments where they are fed plant-based sugars. As they grow, they produce PHAs, which can then be harvested and processed into bioplastic products. They can be used to make packaging materials, films, and even medical implants. The versatility of PHAs makes them suitable for a wide range of applications, from everyday packaging to specialized medical devices that require biocompatibility and biodegradability. Another example is polylactic acid, or PLA. PLA is another type of bioplastic that has gained popularity due to its excellent properties and ease of production. PLA is made from renewable resources like cornstarch. The production process involves fermenting the starch to produce lactic acid, which is then polymerized to form PLA. This bioplastic is not only renewable but also compostable under industrial conditions. It is used in 3D printing, food packaging, and disposable cups. PLA's versatility and biodegradability make it an attractive alternative to traditional plastics in various industries, from manufacturing to food services. Bioplastics offer a sustainable alternative to traditional petroleum-based plastics. They are biodegradable. Unlike conventional plastics, which can take hundreds of years to decompose, bioplastics break down much faster, reducing the long-term impact on the environment. They reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. By shifting to bioplastics, we can decrease the demand for oil and gas, leading to fewer greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Microbial biofactories are key to making bioplastics a reality. These advanced facilities enable the large-scale production of bioplastics, making them more accessible and affordable for consumers and industries alike. They can help reduce plastic pollution and create a cleaner planet. By adopting bioplastics, we can significantly cut down on the amount of plastic waste that ends up in our environment, leading to healthier ecosystems and communities.
Section 4. Food for thought. Microbes on our plates. Microbes play a crucial role in food production. For centuries, we have used microbes for fermentation. Fermentation is a process that uses microbes to transform food. It can preserve food. It can also enhance its flavor and nutritional value. Bread, cheese, yogurt, and beer are all examples of fermented foods. Yeast is a type of microbe. It is essential for making bread. It helps the dough rise. Bacteria are used to make yogurt. They give it its tangy flavor. Microbial biofactories are now being used to create new and innovative food products. They can produce plant-based meat alternatives. They can also create new flavors and ingredients. Microbes are becoming increasingly important in our quest for sustainable and nutritious food sources.
Section 5. The power of small advantages of microbial biofactories. Microbial biofactories offer numerous advantages. These tiny powerhouses are revolutionizing the way we think about production and sustainability. They are sustainable, cost-effective, and scalable. By harnessing the natural abilities of microbes, we can create processes that are not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. They also offer significant environmental benefits. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which often have a heavy environmental footprint, microbial biofactories operate in a much cleaner and greener manner. Traditional manufacturing often relies on fossil fuels, leading to high carbon emissions and pollution. This dependency on non-renewable resources is a major concern for our planet. Microbial biofactories, on the other hand, can use renewable resources like plant biomass. This shift to renewable inputs helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigates the associated environmental impacts. This makes them a greener alternative. By integrating these biofactories into our production systems, we can significantly lower our carbon footprint and promote a more sustainable future. They also require less energy and water compared to traditional methods. This efficiency not only conserves valuable resources, but also reduces operational costs. This makes them more cost-effective in the long run. Companies can save money on energy and water bills, while also benefiting from the reduced need for expensive raw materials. Microbial biofactories are also highly scalable. Whether you need to produce a small batch or ramp up to industrial-scale production, these systems can be easily adjusted to meet demand. This means production can be easily increased or decreased. The flexibility of microbial biofactories allows for rapid adaptation to market needs and changing conditions. This is because microbes can be grown in large quantities in a controlled environment. By optimizing growth conditions, we can maximize yield and efficiency. This makes it possible to meet the growing demand for products without putting a strain on resources. As consumer demand for sustainable products increases, microbial biofactories offer a viable solution. Finally, microbial biofactories offer significant environmental benefits. They not only reduce waste, but also have the potential to transform waste into valuable products. They produce less waste than traditional manufacturing. This reduction in waste helps minimize the environmental impact and promotes a circular economy. They can also be used to clean up pollution. Certain microbes have the ability to break down pollutants, making them useful in bioremediation efforts. This makes them a key tool in the fight against climate change. By reducing emissions, conserving resources, and cleaning up pollution, microbial biofactories contribute to a healthier planet.
Section 6, Hurdles and Horizons, Challenges and Future Directions. While microbial biofactories hold immense promise, challenges remain. One challenge is optimizing microbial strains. We need to make them more efficient. They need to produce higher yields. Another challenge is scaling up production. Moving from the lab to industrial scale can be complex. We need to develop new technologies and processes. Despite these challenges, the future of microbial biofactories is bright. Advancements in synthetic biology and genetic engineering are creating new possibilities. Scientists are engineering microbes to produce new products. These include biofuels, pharmaceuticals, and biomaterials. Further research and development are needed to unlock the full potential of microbial biofactories. But the future of manufacturing is green. It is powered by the unseen world of microbes.
Section 7, a microscopic revolution, the future of production. Microbial biofactories represent a paradigm shift in manufacturing. These tiny factories are capable of producing a wide range of products. These products are sustainable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. As we face the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, microbial biofactories offer a ray of hope. They provide a way to meet the needs of a growing population. They do this without harming the planet. The future of production is small, green, and driven by innovation. It is a future where microbes play a central role in creating a more sustainable and equitable world. By harnessing the power of these microscopic organisms, we can pave the way for a brighter future for all.